Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a Toyota Sienna. This one specifically is a 2014. So we got the message on the dashboard. This one's not the one with the navigation. So first you have to go to the trip. You see that right here? It's got trip A and trip B. So this one's got 29,000 miles. It's showing already for maintenance. So it's almost at 30,000 miles. So you're gonna go to trip A. You're gonna cut the vehicle off. Okay. Then you're gonna hold it right here. You know, hold that right there to trip. Okay. You know, before you turn it, you gotta hold it and you gotta turn the key on to the on position. So okay, it's gonna be kind of hard for me to do it here with the let's see. Hold it, let me see. Okay. Okay, here it is. It reset already. As you can see, I'm holding it, turn it on to the on position. And that's it. Alright guys, well, I hope this video is helpful for somebody. Just looking for, you know, quick reference how to reset their and this was actually set up for 5,000 miles. So I'm at 29,000. So I should be getting another notification for probably at 34,807 miles. So I've always done my vehicles at every 5,000 miles. So you'll get a reminder right before. So it's very convenient to keep up with your maintenance. But anyway, hopefully this video is helpful for somebody. And subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like, share it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.